Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our last video calendar lesson. I really have enjoyed doing these every morning with you guys, but it's our last one. I can't believe it. We have some other things I'm sure that your teachers might be doing with you. We still have our graduation Zoom that we're going to do. And you might still have some work you have to finish, but this is going to be the last day of calendar. But I'm going to miss doing this every day. So I was kind of feeling in the blue. It was kind of hard for me to get ready to make this video because I was sad that it was our last one. I'm trying not to cry. But I'm really going to miss doing this for you guys, and I've missed teaching you in person a lot. So I was in the blue, but I'm trying to get out of the blue. I'm trying really hard not to cry on here. So I didn't start recording earlier because I kept feeling like I was going to be too emotional. So Miss Thompson tried to get out of the blue, and I thought I was doing good until I started talking, and now I feel more in the blue again. But I'm also really in the green as well in a way. I'm really feeling very loving right now because I know you guys have been watching these every day, and we've been able to have our morning meeting time and still connect over our calendar, even though we're not able to finish out the school year in person. So I love all of you, and I'm really glad we've been able to do this. So Miss Thompson's trying to move herself into the green. It's okay that I'm in the blue, right? But I don't want to stay in the blue and make this whole lesson sad. It's not totally sad, but I am going to miss this, and I am missing the fact that I don't get to finish the year with all of you. So, all right. That's where Miss Thompson is. Why don't you guys check in and see where you are? Has everybody checked in and knows where they are? All right. Let's get started now that we've all checked in on the mood meter. All right, so let's talk about the date. All right, what month is it, everybody? What month is it? It's May. Very good. It's May. And yesterday was Tuesday. So if yesterday was Tuesday, what's today? Today is Wednesday. That's right. Today is Wednesday. Okay. And we are going to count to today and figure out the date. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Today is the 20th. How do we write a 20? Yes, we write a 2 and a 0. Very good. That's how we write 20. Everybody write that on your Wednesday. Now listen, even though this is the last day I'm going to send a video, you can still do the calendar every morning. You can still get your packet out. You can do calendar by yourself. Maybe you have a calendar at home that can help you. Maybe you have a calendar on your tablet. If you go to your computer, if you click right here, everybody has a calendar that pops up. So you can do calendar at home until you get to graduation, or till this day at least, okay? That's up to you. So everybody wrote the 20, and then I'm going to move the 20 up to, you know what, it's hard to get it. Okay, so last year the teachers got these last day of school shirts, and even though it's not the last day of school because I still have to work and I have to go up to the school tomorrow and next week, and I have things to do, so it's not really my last day, and it's not really your last day either because we haven't had our graduation yet. But I wore my happy last day of school shirt because it's our last day of calendar, so I thought I would wear that today. Okay? All right, let's say the date. Today is Wednesday, May 20th, 2020. Good job. All right, let's talk about the weather. What has it been doing? It feels like constantly Raining. It's either been rainy or cloudy, rainy or cloudy. Now, right now at my house, it is cloudy. The chickens they like to go out when it's cloudy. As soon as it starts raining, they run to their coop and they go in their coop. I don't think they like being out in the rain. But it was cloudy just now when I went outside. Let's check and see. And you can check at your house. Remember, your weather might be different because you might be doing this at a different time than me. Right now, it's early in the morning. Okay, so right now it says it is cloudy, but rain will start in 94 minutes, which is about an hour and a half. So it looks like we're gonna have heavy rain and a thunderstorm, rain tonight, and look, tomorrow, more rain. Oh man. Let's see when it's gonna stop raining. Let's look at the rest of the week. Okay, so Friday, it says maybe a shower. Okay, Saturday, partly sunny and pleasant. So finally, maybe there won't be any rain on Saturday. That would be great. All right, so we have some rain. Let's go back and look at the map and see what the rain looks like. Okay, let's see what storms are coming our way. It's taking a while. I don't know why it won't let me do it. Oh well, never mind. I can't get it to work. It's being slow, but you can see right here that there's rain right here, and we are right here. So that rain is coming our way. That's the rain we're going to have. All right, so we're done with that. I don't know why it wouldn't work. But right now it is cloudy. So I'm going to erase this 2. I'm going to add another cloudy day right here. So we had 2. If we add 1, how many will there be? 3, yeah. You see how we do addition when we do a graph? When you add it, you're adding. So it's just like a word problem. It's just like a number sentence. 2 plus 1 is 3. And so we have 3 cloudy days. And even though it's been cloudy and rainy a lot the past couple days, what did we have the most of so far, though, in May? What type of weather has had the most? Yeah, sunny, because we had a lot of pretty days in May in the beginning. All right, and I don't have any rainy days colored in just because when I've done calendar, it hasn't been rainy, but it has been raining, hasn't it? All right. Does everybody have their graph filled out? And remember, you can continue doing your weather graph until the end of May if you want to. That is up to you. Even though I won't be doing it with you, you can still do it. You are really good at it. All right. How many days are left in kindergarten? See, even though this is our last day of calendar videos, it's not our last day of school. It wouldn't have been. So we would have kept going for what? We'd have 10. We're going to take one away. How many is that now? 9. 10 minus 1 is 9. And guys, how many 10s do we have in 9? 0. We don't have any. How many 1s do we have? 9. That's how we get the number 9. We don't put a 0 over here, but we just don't put anything, and that's how you know there's no 10s. There's no 10s in 9. It's not even a whole 10, is it? It's lower than 10. So you just write a 9. So 9 days left in kindergarten. Great job. All right, snap word of the day time. We're going to finish Miss All's video today. I think I found where we were on the videos, but I could be wrong. But we'll see. I think I found exactly where we were. We're going to finish practicing our yellow words. Remember, you can come on here, even on the days when we don't have school, you can come on here and practice the words that you don't know. Okay, if there's words you don't know, these are great videos to watch to practice your snap words. All right, let's see if we can follow along with Miss All. Ready? Here we go. Remember to say the word before Miss All does. That was boy. Sat. And what? Cat. And they have what word in it? Has at in it. Good. Bee. Sit has what word in it? It. Good. You put s on the front and you get sit. Is that all of them? That might be all of them. Wow. And Miss All's done. I thought there was more to the video. Let's see if we can look at another one then. Let's look. Let's start the green one. We'll just do a few of the green words. Ready? You might not know all these. That's okay. We have worked on a lot of these though. Let me fast forward to where Miss All starts, and we'll do at least 5. Ready? 4. And what word does it have in it? Or. Yep. You can hear it in 4. Not. Good. What word do you see at the beginning of not? No. Yep. Did. We'll do one more, okay? Good job, everybody, on their words. I know you've been practicing. What's that word? Jump. Good. All right, we're going to stop right there. If you want to finish this one, you can go back onto the site and you can play all these snap word games if you want to. All these videos that Ms. All made. All right, so we're going to go back to calendar. We're actually going to go over here to math, and you are going to have to do some math today. You might have to draw pictures. You might have to write an equation on your paper, so get ready for that. I'm going to show you another Matific game. Okay, ready? This one is about figuring out ways to make numbers. We've done a little bit of this where I gave a number and I showed all the ways to make it with dots, right? So this says, find sets of 2 monster cards that add up to 6. So you need 2 cards that make 6. Look at your cards here. And tell me 2 that you think can make 6. So I'm looking at this 3 first. I just see it first and I'm like, what can I add to this 3 to make 6? I have 1, 2, 3. You know, and drawing a picture can help. I don't know where my tools are. Oh, I guess this is it. So I'm going to draw 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm trying to make 6. So if I do 3, 4, 5, 6, so that's 3 and 3 make 6. Let's see if that works. You say 3 and 3. We did it. 3 and 3 makes 6. Okay, we have to do another one. There's more that makes 6. That's not the only way to make 6. What's another way to make 6? Look at this 5. What would we need to add to make 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just one more. Oh, yeah, so 5 and 1 makes 6. Okay, and there's in one more way. Look at it. What is it? 4 and 2. Does that make 6? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, it does. Okay, so let's click those. So we just did 3 ways to make 6. Okay, this one says, find 2 sets of monster cards that add up to 5. So we're doing 5 this time. So let's look right here at this 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4. How many more do we need to make 5? 1. 4 and 1 makes 5. Okay, let's do that. 4 and 1. Here it is again. 4 and 1. We know that makes 5, right? And then what's this one? 3 plus 2. Does that make 5? How can we check? We can count. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so 3 and 2 makes 5. Okay, let's do another set. Okay, this one wants us to make 7. Okay, and what's different? This one does not have pictures. So we don't have little things we can count. So we have to use another strategy. We can draw our own pictures, right? We can use our fingers. Okay, I'm going to use my fingers. Okay, if you want to draw it on your paper, you can. I can show you on my paper right here. I have paper too. So we could do it on paper. Let me get a clean piece of paper. All right, ready? So here's my paper. So we're making 7. So let's look at this 4. And you can draw 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we need to figure out how many more do we need to add to make 7. So we have 4. So put 4 in your brain, right? 5, 6, 7. How many more did we add? Yeah, 3. So what makes 7? 4 plus what? 3. Yes. Oh, good job. Let's do another one. Let's draw this 5. So I'm going to draw 5. I'm going to draw a line and I'm going to make a new one. Let's draw 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You should have 5 circles. Put 5 in your brain. 5. And let's see how to get to 7. 6, 7. How many more did I draw? 2. So how do we make 7? 5 plus 2. Okay, 5 plus 2, that's 7. Oh, I see another 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2. So this shows us that 6 plus what is 7? 6 plus 1. And you can draw the picture and make sure that's right. But it's right. If you have 6 and you add 1 more, it's going to be 7. Good job, everybody, on your math. And again, this is a game on Matific that you can play, which is a really good math website to learn all of the skills. This goes over all of our stuff we have to learn in kindergarten for math. So it's a great game to play. Oh, this one wants you to make 9. This one wants you to make 9. Now, what I can do is I can leave this. You can press pause and you can figure out ways to make 9 by yourself. But I'm not going to do it with you. This one will be something you can try by yourself, okay, and figure out ways to make 9. So if you want to pause this, you can do that. But then we're going to go back to calendar. And since this is our last day, I'm going to do something that I've done with Olivia before when I've read with Olivia and some of the rest of you. But we are going to do a virtual hug. And I'm going to say goodbye since I'm not going to be doing calendar anymore with all of you. And I love all of you. My class, Miss All's class, and Miss Johnson's class, and anybody else who's been watching these videos. So let's do a virtual hug. This is what me and Olivia do. We usually hug. Everybody hug and see if you can feel the hug. Bye, everybody. I'll miss you bunches.